As a little bit of a tip or advice, things can be very unpredictable. I'm at my fourth night out here, and last night was looking good. And then we had a big storm go through, got dumped on, and it started. And then again, run into another situation. I came up here. It was raining down south. I came up here. It was looking like it was going to be pretty good tonight. Then it clouded up, rained, and it started clearing out again. And now it looked like it might rain again. So, I mean, I'm gonna hang out for a while. Hopefully I'll get something, but this is why you gotta really check the weather forecast. Even the weather forecast is only calling for a 30% chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Well, we're definitely getting that and then some. So, it's hard to say in the mountains out here. I do have both of my cameras set up at the moment. Actually pointed in towards the sun. It's got some dramatic light at the moment, but as you can see behind some of the storm clouds, we'll see what happens. Alright, if it doesn't work out tonight, I'll get up real early in the morning and give it a try then. Hopefully it'll be clear enough. In order to see the Milky Way, you pretty much have to wait till about 2 hours after sunset, which is called astronomical dusk, and at the very latest 2 hours prior to sunrise, which is astronomical dawn. Like I said before, you know, you want to kind of show up to a place before it gets dark. What happens if you can't? Well, the idea is to scope out a location beforehand and kind of get an idea where you want to be. You still want to be there before it gets dark, so that if you can't be there as it goes down, if you're like get there early in the morning or something, at least that way you know where you kind of want to be, know what you want for a foreground, and have an idea of what the scene's going to look like, where the Milky Way's going to be, so at least then you know exactly where to shoot the composition that you're going to want. So obviously not in every circumstance can you be out from evening down to sunset and then 2 hours after sunset for the Milky Way to be visible. Doesn't always work out that way. Can't shoot the Milky Way when it's cloudy.